In this video, we're going to create a new ad account. Simply go to business settings, which is going to be your business.facebook.com. If you already have accounts, you're going to go here. If you're not, you're going to start from zero. We're going to go down to add accounts, click the blue plus button, add, and I'm going to go to create a new ad account. Ad account name is going to be Lori Ballen, and I'm going to leave this in my time zone, US dollars, and then you want to select the card in which you're going to pay for your billing, and you can change this in the billing section. Next, we want to say, what is this ad account going to be used for? Is it for your own business or for another business or client? If it's for your own business, select My Business. Click Create. So now what I can do is I can run all of my Lori Ballen website ads off of one pixel. So now we can set the asset permissions for the user you selected. I'm the user. So I can manage the campaigns, I can view the performance, I can manage the ad account. And now it's been created. Next, I want to make sure that I have a page added to this account as well. Right, so we've got our ad accounts. Now I'm going to open this in Ads Manager. Okay, so now from here I can actually go ahead and create my accounts. Now, before I can do that, before I can run a conversion ad or retargeting, any of that type of thing, I need to set up my pixel. So I'm going to go up here to All Tools, and I'm going to come over here to Pixels. So now make sure you have the right account selected. I want to run my Lori Ballen website, and I'm going to create a Facebook pixel, which is going to allow me to track website activities, improve my return on investment, and reach new and existing customers. So I'm going to go ahead now and click Create a Pixel. Pixel name is going to be Lori Ballen, and my website. Create. And then it tells me I've created my pixel. And now make it work by installing some code.